Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to tell you a little tutorial about Automator4Act. Every once in a while I'll do things and I'm like, oh yeah, I never really thought of that. So in a previous tutorial I had said one of the things you can do with Automator4Act is you can come up here and you can just type in like a note or a history. So if I just want to type in like test note, you know, number 22. Well, I can come up here, and if I click on Quick Note, what's going to happen, it's going to take what I typed and put it in the note area of Act. Let me show you that. I'm going to click on Quick Note. It took that text. If I go down to the notes area, there it is right there. So after doing that and showing that in a tutorial, I'm like, wait a minute, I wonder what I can do with some of the other buttons. So let's say I want to call someone in a week. Well, I can type in here, call and talk about sale. And again, my typing isn't greatest, but if I click right here and click on 1 week follow-up, what it did is it created an activity 1 week out, and in this area right here, if I double click on it and open it up, in the details, it says call and talk about sale. So I can take the information here and put it in different places. I can put it in a history, in a note, or in some kind of follow-up. So there's some interesting things you can do with this if you so desire. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day.